Hey everybody, welcome back to Trade Desmo. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, hey there. So like, share, and subscribe for little helpful tips and quick, easy videos on how to do simple, easy projects. Now today, what I'm going to show you is using these double-sided mirrors I bought. I get them off of eBay sometimes. I get them from Amazon. They're not usually that readily available, but when I bought them from Amazon, that was pretty much the quickest, easiest way I could get them. So, and it actually costs less. So I'm going to give you that link to that. I'll also give you the one to eBay too, but I prefer using Amazon. And these are double-sided mirrors. They have like a white type of pleather material on both sides. And then when you open it, it's a double compact. So on one side is the regular magnification, and I probably said that messed up, but if you could tell, I got an accent. And on the other side, it's like I believe it's an 8 times magnification. I'm gonna have to look at that on the advertisement when I show you the link. But at any rate, it's a double-sided mirror. Both sides are white. And what I use is only one side of the mirror when I decorate them. You know, I just think it tends to be easier to hold on to them, not with rhinestones or whatever you're going to choose to use. You can use glitter on these. I use bling. So for this tutorial, I'll show you with the bling. And again, this is a quick, easy tutorial. Anybody can do it and have a good time with it. And they're wonderful gifts, Christmas gifts, bridesmaids gifts, for your purse. It doesn't matter, but love them. So anyway, let's get started. Now, items I use for this is, of course, you're going to need which I've described already, your compact mirror. I'm going to use, I bought this box from Michael's. It doesn't have a label on there anymore because I've had it for quite a while, but just so you can have a brief look at the type of bling that's in here. It's like iridescent stones, gold, diamond, and it's got the white iridescent pearls and a kind of a flat pearl. But at any rate, I'm going to use these white iridescent pearls because I want a mixture of different sizes to use to fit on this mirror. And also, I have red rhinestones, different sizes. I keep my stuff in a little container like this. And we'll go more into detail about the different sizes I'm going to use when we get ready to actually bling. And you're going to need permanent vinyl. And see, I've already pre-cut these hearts out using red permanent vinyl. And the sizes of these hearts, the width is 1 and, well, it's kind of 2.5 is here. It's like 2 1/4. 2 1/4 across. And height wise, I'm just going to get it from right here, is 2. So see, 2 is right here going across. So my heart's 2 1/2 or 2 1/4 is the highest width. And height is 2 inches. So that's what I used. So what I did, I already did one, is I stuck the heart directly on the surface of this pleather white leather material. There's no need to prep the surface. It's pretty good with sticking to it. It makes it pretty permanent. Some people might actually do something and prep it, but I don't. So there it is. And I'm just gonna bling. I'm gonna start with the red heart first, and then all this white area is gonna be using that white pearl. So you already know my go-to glue is Gemtac. I'm gonna use Gemtac. I have my perfect pickup stick for Robin's Rhinestone, and I'm ready to bling. For time purposes, we're just going to speed it up a little bit and do a voiceover. So as you see, I applied the glue to one half of the heart. I decided to work it in that type of section, outlined the heart, and I'm filling it in. Same for the other side. It doesn't take a whole lot of glue. You don't want too much, but just enough where the stone sticks when you place it. As you see, of course the glue's wet. When it dries, you'll see the red vinyl. If you do see some spots underneath, which I embrace my space, so I don't have a problem with all the rhinestones not completely being back to back with each other, because you can't hide the background for the most part. That's why you lay a foundation down like the vinyl, so that way if you do have spaces, then it's showing the red. If I had just free drawn the heart and just put the rhinestones on top of the white, that would make a whole different look. But again, when this dries, we'll see where the spaces are. If you are like really meticulous about your blinging, you can get some smaller stones that would be able to fit in the middle of those. But I'm perfectly fine with, again, embracing all the space. So what I'm doing now is using my pointy end, and I'm just straightening out anything that I see if I didn't lay it completely down. If I didn't lay it completely down correctly. And everything looks good to me. What you think? So we're going to let this dry a bit and come back and do the white pearl part. The heart had a little bit of time to dry, and we're looking pretty good. We still have some white spots in there. I'm trying to make it so you can see it with the light. We have some white spots, but of course, as you know, with Gemtac, it's going to dry clear. But I've given enough time. I say time's passed. It's been about an hour since I last filmed, so that's why it's still white right now. I didn't give it too much time to dry because I want to move on with the project. But at least a long enough time where it'll sit there for a minute, and it's like if you touch it, it won't move. So, but still touch it lightly. So we're going to move on to the next step, which was applying the white pearls. Here I'm laying out all the different various sizes of the pearls. I want to make sure I have full coverage on where the white spots are showing. And you may have to get it from different vendors in order to achieve the look you want. Again, for time constraints, we're going to go ahead and speed this part of the video up and do the voiceover. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm putting the Gemtac glue all around the white spots and filling it in with the different various sizes of the white pearl. And at first I thought I was going to use some of the iridescent pearls that's included in that little package that I had on hand. But I changed my mind, and I just wanted to use the same color pearls that I had and make it more uniform. But it's totally up to you. You can use any kind of other pearls that you want, or use rhinestones to go all the way around. And just be aware that the background is white. The other side is basically the same as the first side. We're just going to use those various size stones to cover in the empty spaces. Go around. Make it look nice and neat. Using our pickup stick and a nice layer of glue. You really can't mess this up, honestly. Whatever way you choose to do your mirror, it's going to look great because this project is so simple and easy. You know, even the beginner blinger can do it. And you see, I'm not using the most expensive stones either, and it's still going to turn out nice. Nice, quick, easy gift. Now here I'm just checking the edges to make sure that the pearls aren't overlapping on the edge. because you would run the risk of someone being able to pull it up from the sides. So you want to make sure that it's flush with the edge and everything is lined up. This is our finished project. I'll show you how it looks when the glue is completely dried. Fully, I don't know why I'm messing with it and it's wet. Fully functional mirror. Backside is plain, but it still has this pleather white, so it's nice and classy. And when it dries, it is so cute, y'all. And I will come back and show you when it's finished. Okay, here's the finished project. Back side, front side. The vinyl was under the red rhinestones. Everything is blinging as it should be. Fully functional compact mirror. Thanks for watching.